Hi everyone, how are you? My name is Daniel. I'm the face from Crypto for Beginners, and today we will make a quick review about Roger Q. Roger Q is an app that allows you to auto trade. Basically, it's an API that's being connected, like Roger Q is connected through Binance through an API, so it's making Binance buy and sell the crypto that you choose, and it's making like daily profit. Here is the main platform. For example, I'm working with Cake and Tron. Wait one second. Okay, so Cake, for example, here we can see that I have bought already 443 USDT. We are in the number 17 call. So basically what the robot is doing, it will, when the crypto is going down, it will buy, and when the crypto is going high, it will sell. So we will have profit from each buy and sell. I will show you here, for example, the revenue that I had. For example, you can see each day the revenue that I have, and here, for example, today I have some profit from TRX, Cake, TRX and Cake. So basically this app is working, it has three ways to work. It will work when the market is going down, like today, because for example Cake, it's in one of the lowest points of the market. It's in, we can check it here, it's in 5.74. It's one of the lowest points, so it's a very good to buy. It's a very good moment to buy, because we are buying in a very low price and we will sell it very high. And the same for TRX, for Tron. Also, this app works in markets where it's stable. So when it's stable, it's a little bit easier, because it go low, it will buy, it will go high, and it will sell. And also this app is working when the market is going high, because if the market is going very high, it will buy in 10 and it will sell in 12. It will buy in 12 and it will sell in 14. It will buy in 16 and it will sell in 18. Here, for example, when we go to quantitative, we can choose many of the crypto that are inside Binance. For example, ADA. So this is ADA. If I trade setting, we will go trade setting here. And if I click here in choose a strategy guide, so I have two tables. One table is from 220 and the other table is from 750. This is the minimum USDT that I need to have in my Binance account. If I'm working with the 220 USDT, I must have 220 USDT, because if the market is going down, the robot has to have money to buy this crypto, and then it will sell it. And in the 750, it's I need to have that money for the robot to work. So basically it's very easy. I put choose strategy and I put start, and it will directly start. But I only have money for, in the moment I have money for Cake and Tron. And here in the news, it will send you a notification when it will buy and it will sell. For example, I will show you here. Okay, here, for example, we can see that it's saying today at 16:29 it has bought me Tron. And if we continue, it's saying their new sell in Binance. So when every time that it's saying sell, you will get profit. So now in the moment that I'm now, I'm waiting for the market for cake to go up. I think that it will happen maybe in next week, in 1 week, once Bitcoin will be stable. Once Bitcoin will be stable and it will go back to 35 to 40, cake will also go up. And in that moment, the robot automatically will sell all my cake and it will make profit. Another very interesting thing about the app is that it's multi-level. Multi-level is a business type that the way that the app promotes itself is not through ads. It's that each user will explain how the app works to other friends, and by myself I will sell this app to other people, for example my audience in YouTube or some friends. And if I click here, member center, wait 1 second. Okay, here, exactly. You can check that I'm V1, that's my level, and it's saying that to go to V2 I need to sell the app to 3 persons and other 20 persons, so it will be 23 persons. For each reference that I make, I will get 30 USD plus profit distribution, that for each person that will come to my team I will make profit, like a percentage of each sale. Here we can see that once you get to V2, to pass to V3, you need to have 3, to become V3 you need to have 3 V2s and 100 members, and from each recommendation you get 40 USDT plus 30% recommendation rewards. And well, the same here, to get V4 you need to have 3 V3s in your team, 300, you can make 50 USD, 40% distribution, and team rewards on 10%. The same here, and the same here. And in the last one, you got a global dividend from 10%, so it's a lot that you can get. If you get to V6, I think that you can make passive income like $10,000 more or less. So it's very good because it's very legit, it's working amazing, and I'm very happy. I'm new, so I still need to wait to see what will go with with cake. How much is the price of the app? The app is $120 plus $20 of gas. The gas basically is saying that for each sale, for each profit that we have, we need to pay like a small percentage to the app. Wait 1 second, I don't remember exactly where it is. Well, doesn't matter. So basically we are working with tables that are very conservative, so we are making like 5 to 10% the month. But here in Circle you can connect with auto traders that also they will make, you will have profit. I didn't try this. I think that's good. You need to watch out. If you go to Telegram for the scammers, there are a lot of scammers, so watch out. I think that's very safe, and I really like the app because of 3 main things. First, the most important is that my money, it's always on Binance. It's never leaving Binance, so that's very important. Second, I love that you can refer people and you can put people inside your team, and the app is working very good. The UX UI is good, it's simple and it's fast, and I think that they have done a very good job. So if you are interested, just you can use my referral code, or you can join our Telegram group. So I hope you like it, and please subscribe, and you can ask me whatever you want. Thank you very much.